So subscribe to Siddharth Kannan's YouTube channel
now.
मेरे साथ एक इंसान है इमरान हाशमी एंड क्रिस्टल डिसूजा. डू यू फाइंड इमरान हाशमी सेक्सी विदाउट द व्हाइट हेयर और विद द व्हाइट हेयर?
I find Imran Hashmi sexy, full stop.
तो आप 3 पॉइंट बोलिए, मैं 3 पॉइंट बोलता. चलो स्टार्टिंग विद यू.
He has a great sense of humor, smells good all the time, and
I have used deo today.
And I love his dressing sense. So 3 great points for me.
क्या बात है. कैन यू जस्ट गो क्लोज टू हिम इस वक्त और देख सकती है आप कि वो आज स्मेल गुड कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, जस्ट फॉर आवर नॉलेज.
And the poster both, I can smell both of them from here. I don't have to go very close.
Are you directing some film? Like you're telling her to do stuff that shady guy?
Yeah, I always wanted to direct a shady film, by the way. So I was trying to create it right now. So let me tell you what I find sexy about Imran Hashmi. And अगर इमरान हाशमी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं, उनके चेहरे पे दिखेगी तो आप बोल देना मुझे. तो I find Imran Hashmi's legs very sexy. You know, I think he's got great legs. दूसरा, I like the fact कि इमरान हाशमी doesn't give a damn. समझ रहे हैं आप? बड़ा cool है बंदा, ठीक है. Number 3, I love the way he's playing with his ears right now, which is very sexy also. Please look.
Okay, that's creepy. That's disgusting. I'm never going to play with my ears again. The way you looked at me and said that, Siddharth, I'm never going to play with my ears again.
But Crystal, कहीं माने मैं जानता हूं कि इमरान हाशमी is not a bad boy. दिल से मैं जानता हूं. He's a really good boy. Not many people know this, but he is a good boy. कहीं तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा भाई बहन दोस्तों ने बोला यार इमरान से दूर रहना 15 फीट बिकॉज द ओरिजिनल बैड बॉय ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट इज हियर?
अरे इनको उनको कन्विंस करना पड़ा फिल्म करने के लिए, नहीं कर रही. फैमिली ने भी बोल दिया था मत करो, इमरान के साथ मत
ऐसी
करो.
कोई बात नहीं है, तब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग था नहीं. So we were very happy during the shoot. I totally had such a good time only because of Imran. He actually made me feel really comfortable and very warm as a person. So I don't know what you've seen, but I've seen a different side.
No, but how did Imran?
I've never seen his legs though.
Show it, Imran. Show it, Imran.
You should come outside the gym. Yeah, the paps over there wait to see my legs.
बट जब आप बोलती है इमरान मेड यू फील वार्म, हाउ डिड ही डू दैट? माने उन्होंने हर शॉट के बीच में आपको झप्पी दी, आपको हग किया, क्या किया?
दिल्ली में बहुत ठंडी थी तो ही अरेंज फॉर हीटर्स.
हीटर था, हीटर था. दो हीटर थे जो काम नहीं कर रहे थे.
तो जब 2 हीटर काम नहीं कर रहे थे तो फिर गर्मी आपको कैसे मिली?
My aura, Siddharth, my aura. I'm hot. I'm sizzling. You have a problem with that?
यहाँ पे भी एसी बहुत चल रहा है, but I'm feeling.
आपको क्या तकलीफ हो रही है यार?
Two of him.
आपको क्या तकलीफ हो रही है?
Because Imran, I have known you for 15 years and I'm somewhere मैं चाहता हूँ कि लड़कियां start calling you uncle, start calling you भैया, start calling you uncle जी कैसे हैं आप? वो नहीं हो रहा है.
उसके लिए थोड़ा वक्त है उसके लिए. Another 10-15 years till I keep coloring my beard in my hair.
बट इमरान सीरियसली बताओ, क्या आजकल से यू गॉट एक्ट्रेसेस सेइंग इमरान बिकॉज आप थोड़े ज्यादा मैच्योर हो चुके हैं, दे फाइंड यू वेरी सेक्सी, ऐसे कमेंट्स मिलते हैं आपको?
आई डोंट नो यार, मैं एक तो मैं खुद को मैच्योर नहीं मानता हूँ. मैं बहुत ही इमैच्योर हूँ अभी भी. एंड आई डोंट थिंक गाइस मैच्योर. आई थिंक वी ऑल एट हार्ट वी all 12-15 year olds inside. I don't know what. I don't even know if women find me hot. She might have said it. She's being nice because she's sitting here.
I'm on camera.
I'm a very average Joe.
इमरान दिल से बोलो, इतने साल काम किए हो, don't do this humility bullshit with me.
Honestly, I'm not. I'm बहुत ही average looker हूँ. और this is what all people felt also. जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में शुरुआत यहाँ की थी तो लोगों ने कहा था कि यार he's not a looker, कैसे बनेगा एक्टर. तो मुझे पता नहीं, I don't understand this whole attractiveness quotient to the opposite sex, और मुझे पता भी नहीं if I'm.
Has any actress actually told you आपको दिल से over the years कि यार इमरान you're not hot, you're not good looking, you're a bad kid?
No, actresses they are cordial, बहुत ही अच्छी हैं सब actresses जिनके साथ भी काम किया है मैंने. They've been very sweet, very warm. लेकिन ये criticism मुझे पहले मिला था जिसके बारे में कह रहा हूँ, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आने से पहले.
अच्छा, बट व्हाट इज इट अबाउट योर फेस? ऐसा कभी हुआ है चेहरा जो तुमने बोला यार मेरा चेहरा मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है अपने बारे में? व्हाट वाज दैट?
My nose, I hate it. Still working with it, but hate it.
But आज के जमाने you can do so many things to change your nose also, ना?
But I'm okay living with it now. I've come to terms with I have a weird nose, but
I don't
that's
think you're weird. I think you're a very beautiful nose.
Thank you.
I don't. Do you think she's got a weird nose?
Can you come a little closer to the screen? I want to see it. Can you come a little closer?
That's as close as I can come.
What a nose. So do you always put your nose in other people's business also? जैसे अगर इमरान फोन में
But
किसी से
so that's the problem. If I would have poked in other people's business, it'd be flat नहीं होती.
अच्छा, and इमरान, तुम्हारा कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स रहा है about your चेहरा और your looks?
Not particularly, but मैं बहुत critical हूँ उस तरह, क्योंकि जब मैं शूटिंग भी कर रहा हूँ ना, I get very uneasy to see myself on screen. पता नहीं क्यों, बहुत ही self critical हूँ मैं. कुछ चीजें निकाल लूंगा मैं, नुक्स, I don't know, it's just something that I have. I think एक जो हो सकता है वो हो सकता है आंखों का. I wish I had slightly big eyes. I wish I had big eyes.
But tell anyway, बताओ, जब भी when you saw Imran in any of his earlier films, कभी ऐसा हुआ you said, oh God, I want to marry Imran Hashmi, I want to date Imran Hashmi? ऐसी कभी feeling आई? In those days, I know he's married, I know he's been around in a relationship for a long time, but कभी ऐसे feeling आई? You can confess to me, it's okay, I won't tell anyone else.
I don't know of any girl who's not had a crush on him. I mean, from Aashik Banaya Aapne, I think we've all seen that. We've all, I genuinely, every girl I know had a crush on him. Still has, I guess.
नहीं, और दूसरा चीज, obviously now he stopped kissing for whatever reason. I think his wife.
I am still doing it. जहाँ पे role demand करता है वहाँ करता हूँ. I'm a professional, see. It's not my choice. अगर script में लिखा हो तो I'm willing to give my services.
But there are
cost, of course.
You are sounding so shady that I'm willing to give my services.
Yeah, मैं बिका हूँ. I do it for a price.
Crystal,
and
this
if
is
it's required
left the chat.
if it's required in the script, yeah.
I'm going to ask you a few names. Tell me what comes to your mind. Karan Tacker.
Co-star.
Huh?
Ex-co-star.
Oh, okay. Nia Sharma.
Tehna, my sister.
Oh, wow. Yes.
We've always been sisters. Sisters fight as well, but we love each other. We will love each other forever.
Oh, there's some controversy here.
Oh God. Acha, Surbi Chandna.
Nagin.
That's it?
Who's this person? Who's this lovely lady?
She's playing Nagin on TV
She's
right
playing
now,
Nagin.
currently.
Okay. I'm sure she's a lovely lady.
Oh, I'm sure she's a lovely lady. Imran, stop asking questions about other young ladies. Don't get so inquisitive. You
I'll
should
send
stay
you
on-
Old habits die hard.
Imran ka mane, who's this young lady? What is she? How is she? She's lovely. Bhai, please, yaar, huh?
I have not watched television for the longest time, so I'm just very curious.
I'll explain everything.
Yeah, but I also think that Karen Tacker and all of them are great guys also, man. I think he's very cool.
Amazing. One of the nicest men I've met in my life.
How sweet is that? I agree too. You know, I bumped into both of you at film screenings and I thought you all look great together too.
We did. That's why we made such a good couple on screen.
I know, absolutely, really.
Which show is this?
1000 mein meri behan.
1000.
अरे क्या बात है.